Okay, welcome back to Xpulse, Namaskara, prekshakare. Today I am going to test drive Suzuki V-Strom Sx, V-Strom Sx 250. ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ ನಾಯಿ. ನೋಡಿದಾರೆ bonus story. ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದ್ದೀರಾ? So keep a track. Okay, thank you guys for tuning in. This is Xpulse and today I'm riding this V-Strom Sx 250. So this bike is, in the flesh it looks very nice, the presence is good, the road presence, overall design, aesthetics looks very nice. The front beak is influenced from the V-Strom 650cc, the higher cc one. Front looks with the semi-fairing, with the front beak and the stall visor or wind deflector. The bike has good aesthetics, ergonomics of an adventure, but it's not completely an adventure that can go into hardcore off-roading and stuff. This is a semi-adventure kind of bike. So you can take on the highway without any tensions, without any hiccups. But off-road you can do only up to some level, not fully hardcore, because the suspensions are pretty hard, not on the softer sides. And so when you look at the bike, the road presence, the graphics, and the Suzuki V-Strom 250 labeling, everything looks punchy, good, decent. The tail section is what could have been a little bit sharper, and Suzuki have been lazy putting up bikes in India, the performance bikes. So now they have come up with this adventure bike. So hope so to see many more models, and the biking segment is booming. So let's see how it goes. Anyways, coming to the bike, this bike is lengthy because with the seat, it's a split seat, and it has the rack sack or whatever, the rack top. So you can put a luggage on that. So without extension, it looks pretty lengthy. Overall, the design and looks super aggressive. Decent. So design wise, it's a thumbs up. Seating posture is comfortable. It's upright, straight. It's not towards the front or the back. So seating posture is very decent, and even the handlebar is supporting very well. The handlebar is quite broad and decent enough to balance and sit properly and have a very good view in the seat. ತುಂಬ ಹೈಟಿಂದ ಕೂತ್ಕೊಂಡು ನೋಡೋ ಥರ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ that's nice. Seat comfort is very good. Seat cushions ಎಲ್ಲ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಸಾಫ್ಟ್ ಇದೆ. So seating comfort is nice. I think you can ride for long rides. This bike will be really a sweet spot, and because the Xpulse, I'm riding Xpulse, and I can feel the comfortness on this bike. It's riding Xpulse on the long rides. People who have Xpulse know the pain. So ಆ ಥರ ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ಈ ಬೈಕ್ ಕಂಫರ್ಟ್ ಇದೆ. ಏನು ಪಿಕಪ್ ಗುರು. ವಾ ಸೂಪರ್. ಹ್ಯಾಂಡಲ್ ಬಾರ್ ನೋಡಿದ್ರಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ that's how balanced this is. So this bike has same engine as a Gixxer 250, 26.5 at 9,000 RPM, 9,300 RPM, and 22.2 km torque at 7,300 RPM. So decent power, 26.5 PS. So decent power for long rides, for short off-roads. This Gixxer engine has been proven. It is wipe-free even at high speeds. So when I took those rough patch hodaga, the bike suspension I felt the suspension of the bike to be hard. So that's why I'm telling this is a semi off-roading bike, not complete one. Suspension super hard ide. This has the same suspension as Gixxer 250. It doesn't have any long suspension or long travel suspension like Xpulse or the KTM or the Himalayan. So that's why this is termed as semi-adventure bike. Pickup matra sakkalagide. The torque is available at around 7,300 RPM. So ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ ಬೈಕ್, ಸೂಪರ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಸಿಟ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಕುತ್ಕೊಂಡು ಓಡಿಸೋದಕ್ಕೆ ತುಂಬ ಆರಾಮಾಗಿದೆಪ್ಪ. ಸೀಟ್ ಸಕ್ಕತ್ತಾಗಿದೆ. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪಲ್ಸ್ ಓಡಿಸಿದಾಗ ಈ ಬೈಕ್ ತುಂಬ ಇಷ್ಟ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಬಟ್ ಎನಿವೇಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪಲ್ಸ್ ಬ್ಯಾಡ್ ಅಂತಿಲ್ಲ. ಇಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಎವ್ರಿ ಬೈಕ್ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಓನ್ ಫ್ಲಾಸ್. ಸೊ ಕರೆಕ್ಷನ್ is needed. Tires, these are MR Meteor tires. Button tires ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Spokes ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. If it was a spokes wheel, this would have had its own unique look and proper adventure kind of style. So that is missing. Thank you. So let's hit. Like that, it just goes away to 90. Nice engine. See, now even at the lower RPMs, I'm in the 4th gear, the bike, no stress at all. Superb. The mirrors provide good view. Of all the bikes I've ridden, this one gives the proper view of the rear. And superb view ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ. So we have this digital console. So it's I think negative display. It gives you all the information, fuel level, gear shiftings, RPMs, time. This has Bluetooth connectivity, so you can check calls, notification, WhatsApp notification, messages. So ಎಲ್ಲ ಇದರಲ್ಲೇ ಇದೆ ಚಿಕ್ಕ ಡಿಸ್ಪ್ಲೇಯಲ್ಲಿ. ಕ್ಲಚ್ ಆಕ್ಷನ್ ಸ್ಮೂತ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ನೋಡಿ. ಡ್ಯುಯಲ್ ಚಾನೆಲ್ ABS, ಸೂಪರ್. Braking is good, guys. Braking is good. I think it's very properly balanced color. So the guys from showroom are also with me riding when they're enjoying the bike. This is the standard bike you will get when you pay the money. So with the knuckle guards and engine cowl, accessories, the crash guards will be there. It's not available right now. So this is the standard looking on-road bike for money you pay. I think it's around 2.75 on road. So let me give a, so we have the USB connector, mobile charging it. So even it has light with that. And the seat height is 830 mm and the ground clearance is 205 mm. Footrest rubber for and our good grip. You can remove this and do off-roading as well. So this is the engine cowl. It's very small and neat. The Meteor MRF 100 section number 90 tubeless tires. Dual channel ABS, and this is 140 section. Yeah, 140 this time. In the tail section, this is the rucksack, whatever. You keep your luggages here. This extension is good. And this is the bike overall. Looks like a flash. Same headlamp as GX 250. LED is a halogen. The front beak has V-Strom Sx. The grills here, small grills. So this attention to this detail is pretty decent and neat. So this has Suzuki's own oil cooling system and Suzuki Eco Performance. So the bike already proven with the GX 250 that this has good enough sufficient power and enough performance. So this is a single cylinder 4-valve oil cooled engine. Overall the bike's looks, performance, everything is decent enough. So this wind deflector is pretty tall and this is non-adjustable, and we have cover here as well. And overtaking in traffic was smooth, and seating comfort and handlebars are pretty broad and no stress on your wrist. So decent one. The tank is about 4 liters. If you have magnetic bags, I doubt to keep it on this, but 4 liters of tank. This is the exhaust note. It's bassy, humpy sound. ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ ನೋಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಕೆಲಕ್ಕೆ. So we have even this bungee cord hooks as well. You can put it here and wrap your luggage. That is good. Here. So the curb weight of the bike is 167 kg. The bike feels light, balanced, tall. Comfort handling position. So that's it guys for this video. This is a short ride review of V-Strom Sx 250 Suzuki, and thank you Suzuki Bojanna Horamavu Banaswadi for giving this bike for test ride and helping me do this video. So see you guys in my next video again, and you guys have fun, enjoy, and just ride it and keep riding, keep exploring. This is like a nomad. Bye. Let me try one long ride. No voice, no audio, nothing, just the ride, just the bike.